Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the best in-depth reviews of everyday products. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best cheap platform bed frame on the market, the ALDRICH metal bed frame. If you're on a budget and want a sturdy, noise-free bed frame with tons of underbed storage, stick around because this frame is exactly what you need. Let's get into it. The ALDRICH metal bed frame is a 16-inch tall platform made from heavy-duty steel, designed to support up to 3,000 pounds. That's a lot of weight, which is why it's not just cheap, it's built to last. If you're tired of squeaky bed frames that wake you up every time you move, this frame comes with rubber cushions to reduce noise, making it perfect for anyone who values a peaceful night's sleep. One of the standout features of this frame is the fact that it doesn't require a box spring. It's designed to support your mattress directly, which means no extra cost for a box spring and less hassle when setting up your bed. Plus, the platform-style slats offer extra durability and help extend the life of your mattress. Assembly is a breeze, too. The frame comes with clear instructions and all the parts are labeled, so you can put it together in under 20 minutes, even if you're doing it solo. No need for a professional, just a few simple steps and you're done. Storage is another perk. With 14 inches of clearance underneath the frame, you get ample space to store boxes, shoes, or whatever else you need to keep off the floor. It's a great solution if you're working with limited space and need to maximize your room's storage potential. Whether it's for your bedroom, a guest room, or even a dorm room, this bed frame is a versatile and reliable option. The frame's design is simple and sleek, featuring a black powder-coated finish that fits into any room style. And with non-slip gaskets on each leg, you don't have to worry about your bed sliding around on smooth floors. If you've been searching for a sturdy, affordable, and easy-to-assemble bed frame that offers great value, the ALDRICH metal bed frame is definitely worth considering. It combines practicality with style and gives you a solution that won't break the bank. That's it for today's review of the ALDRICH metal bed frame. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review.